Now, good morning. Good morning. Peace, love, and grow, y'all, and welcome back to another video. I'm Lenora, and this is Faith and Seed Homestead. If you are new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I know it's been a little minute, but homeschool, y'all. I'm trying to find the balance, but I have been out here in the garden, but I try to focus in on my children first with doing whatever lessons we're going to do for the day, and then I come out into the garden and do what I love. This video is going to be short and sweet, and it's basically, my focus is on the sweet potatoes. So I have one container of my sweet potatoes. I have like four total of containers that I've been growing sweet potatoes, and I'm going to harvest out of the one and see what I got. So this is the one of the containers with sweet potatoes growing in, and I think I may get a good harvest out of here. So I'm excited because I pulled back some of the dirt and I seen a sweet potato and I was like, ooh, oh my goodness. So let's get into it. Oh my gosh, it's so many ants. A harvest is still a harvest, and I'm thankful. Yeah, I didn't get too many from the first container, so I went ahead and harvested the rest of the other containers. Yeah, we're gonna try again, but these are still going to get ate. Y'all, a harvest is still a harvest. That first container had so many ants. Oh my gosh, I almost stopped. But look, I got some sweet potatoes. We are still going to eat these. We are. Thank you, Lord, for the harvest. So until next time, y'all, peace, love, and grow.